Okay, today I'll be changing the banana plugs on my Technics SE-A70 Power Amp. As you can see, this biting post, you see, they only accept a bare wire, you know. So you see, I'm gonna be putting some banana plugs here, so I mean, it's gonna have a more flexibility to use different kind of banana plugs, you know. So all right, so as you can see, it's a very nice sounding power amp. Look at that transformer too. That thing is huge. It's huge. It's a very large transformer, and it's a dual monoblock design. As you can see, it sounds very good, you know. I have the Onkyo M504 and the Denon POA 1500, but this amp sounds much better than all of them because the sound is more complete, you know. I mean, the Denon has very beautiful mid-range and upper frequencies, very smooth, but it lacks on the low end, you know. And the Denon sounds kind of neutral, you know. This one sounds more complete, you know. I'm not gonna say it's at the level of my Harman Kardon Citation 22. You know, that's a completely different level of an amp. But this is a very powerful and nice sounding amp too. You know. All right. So let me pause and start the process, guys. So you see, I was able to remove the first banana plug from here. As you can see, you have a little indentation over here. This is gonna keep the banana plugs from coming out from here, you know. So you're gonna have to use some pliers to force them out. You see, I can't go anymore. You see, I will need the pliers to move them even more. So that's just to keep them from losing it, you know. But I mean, we'll be putting some new ones. So we're gonna unscrew this, and then we're gonna put the new banana plugs. Okay guys, so I installed the first one, as you can see. Let me show you something. They have two kinds of I mean, they have different kinds of banana plugs, but look at this kind. The screw seems to be a little bit too thin. So this kind right here, let me see, where is it? Yeah, right here, this one fits much better. You see, this is slightly a little bit thicker, I would think, you know? So this is the kind you need to get. Okay, the short ones too. Make sure this is short because they got the long ones. They are about this big, you know. So you don't wanna. Let me see. You don't wanna go inside the board, you know. So I mean, even the long ones, I think they would fit fine, as long as it doesn't put pressure on the board, as you can see right there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one, and then I'll do the top. I'm gonna need to get some more for the bottom. These are for the main ones I'm gonna install right now. So okay. So you see, once you get to the end, you won't be able to move it anymore. So you're gonna have to use pliers to get them out of the way. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna put the new set of banana plugs. Okay guys, so we got them installed now, and then we're gonna test them to make sure everything's in order. Okay guys, so you see it's working now.